Well, it still isn't revving. That time it was only going to about 3,000 RPM, so trying to see what it's doing. Might try and unplug the wheel speed sensors this time and see if that lets it get back to normal before we put a load on it. I guess, yeah.
I'm going to shut it off and turn it back on. Oh, we went backwards. Yeah, we need to go get the scan tool, read the codes, see what's doing, see what's messed up.
Well, we had a bunch of different codes on here, kind of the same stuff that's been popping up this whole time. We're going to try just clearing some random stuff out, seeing what happens. Do a quick erase on everything, see what we can get rid of. Well, that's going. I think I found the real issue though. Never had the engine cover on. Looks like this finished, so try and start it. Still stuck at 3,000. What's it popping up?
Forward collision.
That's it.
Yeah. I know what's wrong with it. It ain't got no gas in it. Little capacitive discharge on it. Unhook the battery and hopefully clear out any random things that might have popped up in it. Since clearing codes isn't doing what, it's not bringing it back to what it was doing before, so do this and see if that fixes it.
So he's in there, he's switching the dyno pumps on, and I think earlier when it wasn't revving, yeah, so before we had the water pumps on the dyno running, and I think that must have been creating enough of a load on the engine that it's not allowing it to rev. While he was in there, he just shut the pumps off, and it's revving normal. That's not very cool.
Yeah, that kind of confirms what we were hoping wasn't going to happen. Something is still keeping the engine from making full power. So we're going to have to do some more diag to figure out if maybe it's because the airbags and everything had gone off in the vehicle we pulled everything from. So maybe there's something in a module that's telling it to not keep it in limp mode, essentially. So yeah, we're going to have to do some digging on that, because the water from the dyno for the brake is not much pressure right now because it's just free flowing, but it's got enough that it's holding it back. So we're going to have to dig in and find out what the problem is with that. So